Are you looking for a ranch home option that doesn't require you to move 45 minutes away from civilization? Well, I have found a ranch home community option for you. The Edgefield floor plan by Eastwood at Carrington is super popular, and for good reason. First of all, it is 2,011 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms with the option of adding 4 bedrooms, and it has 2.5 bathrooms with the option of having 3.5 bathrooms. This floor plan is expansive. It also allows the primary owner to have their own wing, and it also allows for a lot of open concept, free-flowing areas. So let's get to it. The Edgefield floor plan gives you the option of adding a 4th bedroom as well as a 3rd bathroom. If you want to do this, you actually have to build a 2nd level, which would end up being here. The stairs is actually in this location, which means you lose this closet right here, but you gain another 500 square feet upstairs. You would have a bedroom, a bathroom, and a loft. Now, keep in mind that if you do elect to add a 2nd floor, making this a 1.5 floor plan, you would lose the ability to add this tray ceiling in the entryway because they'll need that headroom for the 2nd floor. Also, in order to get a secondary light, that would be an upgrade at Design Center. And right now, Eastwood is taking about 3 to 4 months to build a home from scratch. The mudroom part of the Edgefield floor plan has your 2-car garage with an extra area for storage. The other thing that you're gonna find in there is gonna be your water tank. Now, this is probably not that special, except for the fact that Eastwood does offer tankless water heaters, which are amazing because you never run out of hot water. So imagine having the whole family over for the holidays and always everyone having a really hot shower. Now, right here, you have the option of adding a drop zone. You also have extra storage here, and this piece is probably the best of all. At Design Center, you can elect to make this into a butler's pantry, and you even have the option of adding a wine fridge. You also have a walk-in pantry here, and this side leads right back to the kitchen. In fact, the whole Edgefield floor plan feels like it's revolving in a circle around this whole kitchen area. The kitchen in the Edgefield allows you to feel like a chef. You have a gourmet kitchen, which features an exposed hood. You can also do this as a furniture hood, which is evident in the Davidson floor plan that they have. And you have the option of going from a range to a cooktop. Now, this is a 36-inch cooktop, which means that it is top of the line. You can also upgrade your appliances from just your typical Frigidaire to a Frigidaire Professional, which gives you a lot more luxury features. Now, this island here is huge. And I love a huge island because if you're a person that likes to prep, this is a perfect location to do so. Now, the island is going to be a designer type island, which just means that you get additional cabinetry on both the sides and the front. Another really cool feature about the kitchen in the Edgefield floor plan is the fact that you can get a convection microwave oven, or you can switch this out to double oven. So if you're the cook during Thanksgiving, this is the perfect opportunity to upgrade your kitchen. And you also see that here in the refrigerator, this has a panel on the side, which is something that you typically don't see with builders anymore. So I love that Eastwood is still adding these types of features. If you're enjoying learning about the Charlotte metro region, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell for notifications so that you never miss any of my future videos. Believe it or not, it is really hard to find a ranch floor plan these days in Charlotte. And that's because floor plans that are this big need a very big footprint, and that footprint is eating up land. So I love the fact that Eastwood is still offering an option like this. This is a very expansive space. In this section right here, you have a dining room area, and I actually have clients that love to entertain. So this is a perfect space because you're going from your kitchen to your dining space to your living area. This living area is flooded with light, and actually these picture frame windows go almost to the floor. But if you choose to eliminate the fireplace, which I love fireplaces, so I wouldn't do that. But if you're not that interested in the fireplace, you can elect to do 5 windows across the back and get even more light. Not only do you have the option of adding 5 windows to the back of the house, but you also have these 2 additional windows on the side, and you have a door that's leading to your outdoor patio. In this case, it's actually been screened in, so that's another option, which leads me right into this room over here. Imagine spending your days working in this office. You actually have a few amazing features in here. One of those being those 2 double doors. Now, right now, they're outfitted with a grid, but soon enough, Eastwood is changing it so that the panels are completely clear. Up here, if you decide to, in Design Center, you can upgrade your ceilings to a trim package that has that coffered look, and you're gonna get a slider that comes as part of this room, as well as the option of adding a built-in cabinet plus additional upper cabinets. The Edgefield floor plan is what is known as a split level floor plan. That means that you have rooms on one side of the house with the primary being all on its own. This section right here is going to give you 2 bedrooms for your guests. I love this opening right here, which is 8 feet, and you know that you're going to get 1 room to your right, 1 to your left, with a bathroom separating them. And the tile in the bathroom goes all the way up to the ceiling. Again, that's one of those luxury details that Eastwood provides that a lot of other builders don't. This entire side of the house is dedicated to the primary homeowner. Here, we are getting ready to enter into the primary bedroom, which is incredible. One thing that I love about this room is that it is large without being too oversized. You have the ability to have a king-size bed with extremely large cabinets, as well as a dresser and even a chair if you want to get your read on. You also have these beautiful windows that are bringing in light and your tray ceiling option. Now, if you notice in this house, there are only 3 times where you can get a tray ceiling, which if I were you, I would definitely do that because it definitely ups the glamour in a space. Another thing about this room is that it's got the luxury vinyl plank feature. Now, the other 2 bedrooms didn't have it, but the great thing about Eastwood is that they allow you to put this plank in every single room of the house, including that secondary space upstairs if you decide to build it. The Edgefield floor plan offers a couple of different options when it comes to the primary bathroom. You can extend the shower just like you see it here with your split vanities. So that means that your space can be all your own for people who love having their own vanity sink. Now, you can also add a freestanding tub, and you can also add a fiberglass surround tub with a little bit of a smaller shower. These transom windows up here allow you to generate light into the space so that it feels very airy without invading your privacy. Right through the primary bathroom, you have your walk-in closet, which may seem strange for people who are not from North Carolina, but it's very typical for builders to build the closet right through the bathroom. This right here is a space that can either be utilized either as a door or as an opening. So Eastwood provides you with an opening where you can just throw your clothes over into the laundry room, or you can elect to actually have a door here. And that way you have a clear path from your bedroom to the laundry room. There are several things that make the community of Carrington by Eastwood a premium choice. This community will have 286 homes at the time it's completed. They're also using really hardy materials, including stone, brick, and hardy board. And they are featuring amenities such as a pool, a playground, walking trails, and a pickleball court. The other thing about this area is that it is considered Stanley, which is in Lincoln County, and the taxes here are pretty low. So they're 0.79%, which is much lower than Mecklenburg County. The community of Carrington is also a hop, skip, and a jump away from Denver. And if you don't know anything about the area of Denver, you can learn by looking at the link above, where I did a deep dive on the area and what it offers. If you're interested in purchasing a home at Carrington, or if you just want to learn more about the Charlotte metro region, please feel free to contact me using any of the information below. My name is Yari Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty. I serve both North and South Carolina, and I also speak Spanish. Thanks for watching. See you next time.